Yesterday we were discussing one question that is actually question is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 plus I tan x. Divide by 1 minus 1 plus 2I sin x by 2. Actually, yesterday I have written here minus. Is it? Once you check. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I wrote here minus 9. In one book it was minus. Now I saw other book. Actual question is here it is plus.
Plus.
Yes, so that's why you are not getting answer. It's real. Multiply and dividing by imaginary part of Z. Imaginary part of Z is minus 2 sin x by 2 sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Next, plus tan x. Equals 0. Now this quantity is real. So this is tan x minus 2 sin square x by 2 minus sin. This term and this term, I take sin x common. 1 by cos x minus 1 minus 1 minus cos x. Cos x minus 1 minus cos x. This is also 1 minus cos x. One minus cos x outside. From here we have cos x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and pi. And sin x equal to cos x. Tan x is 1. Sin x equal to n pi. Some m pi. This general solution for tan theta m pi plus pi by 4. Only plus. N belongs to I. N belongs to I. So these are two sets of solutions. Okay, this is the actual question. This quantity is real. And find the values of x. Any other question you want me to discuss? Junaid,
No, no, sir.
any other question? Jasim,
No, sir.
okay. वहां से अब्दुल वासे, is not connected. Okay, let us start N and a source of unity. Come to N and its roots. Of unity. Of any n consecutive integral values of k. For k equal to 0, e to the power 2 pi I by n. This is alpha. For k equal to 1, e to the power 4 pi I by alpha, e to the power 4 pi I by n. Obviously, this will be alpha square. If I assume this is alpha, this is assumption. For k equal to 2. E to the power 6 pi I by alpha, e to the power 6 pi I by n equals alpha cube. So, k equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that till 2 into k equal to n minus 1. Last. 2 into n minus 1 pi I by n equal to alpha to the power n minus 1. For k equal to n minus 1. And if you put k equal to n, again you will get the value 1. If you put k equal to n, you will get again this value is 1. So kn. And it will be repeated then. First you write it up to here. See, 1 is cos 0 plus I sin 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. And if we add integral multiple of 2 pi in any angle, the value remains same. K is integer. Cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. This, from Euler's formula, this equals e to the power 2k pi I. Now, basically, we want, this is up to here, it is value of 1. We want 1 to the power 1 by n. So this whole to the power will be 1 by n. 1 to the power 1 by n is 2k pi I by n. Now, pick up any conjugative integral values of k. 0, 1, 2, up to n minus 1. These are n values. So we'll get these n values of 1 to the power 1 by n. These are n roots of unity. If this is, I assume this is alpha, obviously it will be alpha square, this will be alpha cube, and so on. It will be alpha to the power
n minus 1.
Write it. Complete it. Obviously, all are in the form of e to the power I theta. Magnitude of all these n roots of unity is 1. All n roots of unity are in the form of e to the power I theta. So magnitude will be 1. Okay. Magnitude of all n roots of unity is 1. So all the complex numbers with magnitude 1 will lie on the unit circle centered at origin. Come to properties of n roots of unity. All n roots of unity lie on unit circle centered at origin and at equiangular distances. Equiangular circle centered at origin and at equiangular distances. So meaning is is one. E to the power 2 pi I by n. E to the power 4 pi I by n is a complex number with magnitude 1, argument 2 pi by n. This complex number with magnitude 1, argument 4 pi by n. 2 pi by n, 4 pi by n. Like that. This angle is 2 pi by n. This angle is also 2 pi by n. So this whole angle is 4 pi by n. Last one is e to the power 2 times of n minus 1 pi by n. Take it. It's also 2 pi by n. Okay. Since magnitude is 1, or magnitude of all these complex numbers is 1, so they lie on the unit circle centered at origin. And argument is 2 pi by n, 4 pi by n, 6 pi by n. So they lie on at equiangular distances. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Magnitude is 1 now. Next is all n roots of unity form a GP of unity form a GP with common ratio e to the power 2 pi I by n. Number 3. Sum of all n roots of unity is 0. Sum of all n roots of unity is 0. I'll do it by 2 ways. See. Write it. Some of you are joining now. Write it properly. Saidur Rahman. Saidur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
You have joined now.
Yes, sir.
Just I'm giving you 5 minutes, you write it. Abdul
Yes,
Wase. Wase. Mohammed Wase or Abdul Wase? Abdul Wase. You are not responding. Have you written it? So write it. Just I'm giving you 5 minutes. Some of you have joined late. Maybe some reason because of heavy rain. Completed.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Now we'll do that sum of all n roots of unity is 0. So first we'll do by complex method. It's a GP. Continuing this one, S is 1 plus e to the power 2 pi I alpha 2 pi I plus e to the power 4 pi I by n plus e to the power n minus 1 pi I by n. So these are n terms. GP number of terms. Sum is a into 1 minus r to the power n. To the power n. 2 pi I. R is this same 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Okay. Now, numerator power is 0. E to the power 2 pi I is 1 cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. So directly we can say it is 0, and anyway if you multiply and divide by its conjugate, we will get numerator part real, but numerator part 0 into something is 0. So this is 0. E to the power 2 pi I by e to the power 2 pi I is 1 cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. So what is the formula for sum of GP? A is 1 into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r.
Yes, sir.
Sum is 0. Sum of all n roots of unity is 0. And how to remember it the other way? Consider this x to the power n minus 1 equal to 0. Roots of this equation are n roots of unity. Can I say it?
Yes, sir.
Roots of this equation are n roots of unity. X to the power n is 1, x equal to 1 to the power 1 by n. So what will be sum of the roots of this equation? Minus b by a. See, if we have a
Yes, sir.
equation
Minus
of,
b.
if we have an equation of this type, x to the power n plus b into x to the power n minus 1 plus c into x to the power n minus 2, like that, whatever it is, up to constant plus some k. So what is sum of the roots?
Minus b by
Minus b divided by
a.
1. Okay.
Yes.
In the same way, here b is 0.
0. Yes.
B is 0.
0.
Sum of n roots of unity is 0.
0.
So it's an easy way to remember. Sum of n roots of unity. can say minus in bracket just 2 is equal to minus b by a. That equals 0. Just for recall that result. From here only we can say sum of n and s roots of unity is 0. Okay. Now, if you continue the same result, in summation form we can write it summation of e to the power 2k pi I by n, k going from 0 to n minus 1. This will be 0. Or if you take in that form, cos 2k pi I by n cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n. Cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n. Same thing. Now, if a complex number is 0, its real part will be 0. Summation of cos 2k pi by n, k going from 0 to n minus 1 equal to 0. Can I say it? The real part of this whole, after addition, the real part of this whole complex number has to be 0.
Yes, sir.
If a complex number is 0, its real part is 0, its imaginary part is 0. Okay. Now from here, write it. If you send first term here, right now here n terms. If I send first term right side, it will be summation of cos 2k pi by n. K going from 1 to n minus 1. I have written here 1 to n minus 1, here 0 to n minus 1. So what will be right side? Right side is how much?
minus 1.
Minus 1. All are same result. That's it. Based on this, write down question.
Sir,
Hmm.
how did you get x power n minus 1 there, sir? Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
can you repeat?
How did you get that, sir? That step, x power n?
No, no, this is not any step. I just constructed one equation whose roots are, what are the roots of this equation? Just tell me. I'm not,
1 plus or minus.
these two are not connected. This is over.
Sir, yes, sir, yes.
This is over. Now, just to remember, how to remember that sum of n and roots of unity is 0. I constructed this equation by my own.
Yes,
It's not derived from anything. Just what are the, I have written here roots of the equation. What are the roots of this equation?
plus or minus.
Plus or minus?
1.
No. Suppose n is 3, then what are the roots? 1 omega square.
Sir, yes, yes.
So roots of this equation I have written here in the bracket. Roots of the equation are n and roots of unity. If you write it like x to the power n equal to 1, then x will be how much? 1 to the power 1 by n. In complex plane, if n is even, you can say it is plus minus 1 real. If n is odd, there is only one real. Okay, if n is
Yes.
odd, then there is only one real. If n is even, then there are two reals, 1 and minus 1. Other will be complex. But in real plane, there can be one real root or two real roots, 1 and minus 1,
Yes, sir.
depending on n. But in complex plane, how many roots are there of this? How many values are there? 1 to the power 1 by n. N values.
Yes, sir.
See, 1 to the power 1 by 2. The value is plus or minus 1. Real plane, in real plane. And 1 to the power 1 by 3, the value is 1 in real plane. In the same way, 1 to the power 1 by 4, values are 1 or minus 1 in real plane. But in complex plane, how many values will be there of this number?
n.
N values. And those values are n and s roots of unity. Those values are n and s roots of unity. So I constructed this equation by my own. It has nothing to do with this. So this is nth degree polynomial equation and whose roots are n and s roots of unity.
Unity.
You can say. And from here, we know that sum of the roots, product of the root, that method. What is sum of the roots? Minus times of coefficient minus times of coefficient of x to the power n minus 1 by coefficient of x to the power n. In bracket, I have written minus b by a. That b is coefficient of x to the power n minus 1. A is coefficient of x to the power n. Just to recall that formula. So here it will be 0. Okay. See, if still any confusion, suppose x to the power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. In real plane, how many roots will be there? Only 2.
Yes, sir.
1 and
Minus 1.
minus 1. But in complex plane, how many roots will be there? 4.
4.
Okay.
Yes.
Depending on this exponent. Suppose again, if you take x to the power 5 minus 1 equal to 0. In real plane, there will be only
1.
one root.
1 root.
1.
Yes.
But in complex plane, there will be
5 roots.
5 roots. So just look at this result. Sum of n and roots of unity is 0. From there, I have derived it. Same result. Now the result is true for n equal to anything, any integer. If you put n equal to 7, we'll get some result. We'll get n equal to 11. We'll get some result. So these results are true for all n, natural number. Hmm. Just think of parallel source of unity cos 2r pi by 7 r going from 1 to 3 equals how much? This product. First, let me do this one. Just you think of this result, summation of 2k pi by n cos 2k pi by 7 plus I sin 2k pi by 7. If you put n equal to 7 in that n is roots of unity. I'm doing this one, second one. K going from 0 to 6. K going from 0 to 6. This will be how much? 0. Will it be 0 or not? Sum
Yes,
of
sir.
Yes.
sum of 7
Yes, sir.
7 sum of 7 seventh roots of unity is 0. Take it real part. Summation of k going from 0 to 6 cos 2k pi by 7 equal to 0. So he's saying here 1 to 6. This will be 1 to 6 cos 2k pi by 7 equal to minus 1. Now take imaginary part, only this part. Forget I. Minus I is outside. Okay, if you multiply with minus I, you'll get minus I. And sum of this part will
Yeah.
be anyway 0. This part will be 0. Summation of sine 2k pi by 7 equal to 0. K going from 0 to 6. Now, even if you send first term right side, it will remain same. For k equal to 0, sin 0 is 0. Summation of k going from 1 to 6 sin 2k pi by 7 is again, this will be how much? Here from 0 to 6, here from 1 to 6. This will be how much? Same thing, 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be 0. So summation of this part is 0 minus, you can take I outside, and summation of this part is
Minus 1.
minus 1. So minus I into minus 1 is how much? I.
Plus I.
Answer is how much? I. Can we say directly? Now, based on that, you think of the other two questions. Okay? One question I have given you, one simple. Any doubt anywhere?
No, no.
No, sir.
Shall I disconnect?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
La.